So, did you make the whole thing on the Module 1 practice assignment?
No, I didn't finish it. Did you?
No, I was working on the come on the only string greater than or equal than 5. And I mean, I'm taking one of the things like on the problem, but just taking one of the words,
Mhm.
right? Because basically the problem is they have like an array with 4 elements,
Mhm.
and we have to iterate through the length of the elements. And I'm taking just one of them. The other one that doesn't pop up, you know.
Share your
And
screen.
yeah,
Mhm.
and that's basically my issue. Like, uh, who's sharing?
Who's sharing?
Jocelyn?
I'm not sharing anything. Oh no.
Jocelyn, you're sharing? Okay. Thank you. Hello? You got it? So, okay. So this is, I'm been changing. So right now I don't remember what exactly what I've been doing, but I've been changing many times. So,
Let's see. Where's
so
the Zoom?
I see. mm,
What the heck is Zoom? Oh, here it is.
Um, this is looking so weird
Only
lately.
strings greater than
So,
Hey Alex, just to let you know, I'm working independently, so I'm just working on my own. So that's why I'm not like contributing to helping you with this. It's
no,
because
it's
I'm
okay.
working on
No
my own.
Wow.
worries. No worries. So
Wow. No, I'm kidding. She already told me that she was gonna do that.
I'm getting the hello, just the hello.
All right, hold on. This is what is this in? This is in. Oh, okay. You
You
just
see?
getting hello?
Yeah, I'm still saying, telling me every time that that push, it's like there is a mistake on that push.
Hmm.
But that's the only way that I actually get hello.
Run the test.
Oh, like Ampere?
Yes, please.
Oh, sorry. When I run note, it's giving me hello. But on both of them, it's telling me like that push is wrong. But if I took before that push, and then it was saying your 13 line, the if statement is wrong. Like, so I stopped like taking stuff off because
Let your string equal empty string. I mean array. Goodness, what am I saying? Let your string equal empty array. Your for loop. Your for loop. Let's see. Let I equal 0. I less than equal to word stop. Let. What is it asking? Okay, returns a string array. Words with 5 or more letters. Words with 5 or more letters.
yeah.
Okay, so you have the dot length property there. Okay, words I, words 0. Dot length and words I, dot length. Hold on, wait. If the element of words dot length is greater equal to words and okay, new string dot push words I. And the test is saying new string that push is not a function. Okay, new string that push is not a function. So it looks like the problem is on line 14. New string dot push. New string dot push. It's not a function, right? Why? Don't laugh at me. I'm
Yeah.
trying to help you.
Yeah, because I've been helping with this for. It's not the first time that happened to me. Like that saying that push, no, it's not a function. But what you mean it's not a function?
Right. Um, all right, let's play around with that line. Okay, so let's. No, it has to have the element. If bracket I is not there, it's not gonna run.
So let me kind of rephrase what say it out loud to
Yeah.
see if I.
Yeah, walk through it.
So I say, okay, we have the. Sorry,
Oh, yeah,
let me
don't
move this.
apologize.
So return an array of words that have 5 or more letters,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So starting from that, the parameter is a string, right? Let me kind of replace that array.
Mhm.
Took a parameter words as array container, right?
Mhm.
And I put it here in the function as parameter. Then I say let new string equal empty square bracket because still we have to return an array. I mean it's a string and array, right? So and then I set the for loop. Let I equal 0 as you know well. So let I starting for the first element in the array. It's I less than or equal than word length to telling that this is the whole array. Because I is the whole array. So well I plus plus,
Yeah.
right?
Right. The for loop is fine. We're incrementing every time it checks um if the words dot length are is greater or equal to I. So that part's fine.
Exactly.
Yeah, that part's good.
Okay.
All right. So
So
line 13.
after line 13, I say if word I dot length. So starting from I 0,
Mhm.
the first I dot length. Well, that means 0. Dot length is greater than word 0 dot length.
Mhm.
Hmm. But in that case, it's not true. Hmm. Because word I, which is the first word,
Mhm.
is not greater than.
0.
No, it's not. But this is not represent 0.
No,
This
it's
will
it's the
represent
element. Yeah, it's just the
the
element.
first element.
Mhm.
So that is not true. That's not true.
You're also setting up your if statement to say that both of these conditions absolutely have to be true to even move forward, to even get your condition, not your condition, to even get your
But
expression
here
underneath.
I'm not saying if it is true, true or falsy. I'm saying that if it's greater.
No, I understand that, but you see, you have the double ampersand, you have the double ands, so it's checking to make sure that both of these conditions are absolutely true, and if that's the case, then go to the
Yeah.
expression.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
So both of these are not true, and both of them are, and they're not both false. Well, are they
Yeah.
words?
What if I do like
Do or, yeah.
if word I dot length is greater than word
Words.
dot length or word
Words.
I dot length
Mhm.
is greater than 5,
Mhm.
well, new string that push word I square bracket I.
Mhm. Okay.
We're getting about this for a second, right?
Mhm.
just thinking about this part, this is not true. I mean, this will not be true. Why? Because cat is not greater than cat
Right. It's
and
not.
is equal than cat. So that's true. This is true. Actually, this is true because is the first cat is greater or equal than cat. So he found this true, so he will not continue. Does that make sense?
Say it again.
So let's say, like for example here, right?
Right. So the first.
Let me create another. Let me create
Well,
another.
well, I don't think, okay.
Oh,
Is it going to help you if you create it? You're going to create another array?
no, another console dialog just
Oh, okay,
to.
okay, okay.
Even if I don't run it, I just want to see in that way.
Alright.
So let's say that this is I,
Mm-hmm.
right? To get a better understanding of that, this is I, and this one on the bottom is word, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is the whole array. This is the array, and this is I, the array that we want to check through the array. We're gonna iterate through the array.
Mm-hmm.
So if I cat is greater than words, I mean the words, the first element cat, well, needs to end up push word. But the thing is, that's true. And what we want is to not be true, so he continue. Because one time he find out that that's true, he will just print that out.
Mm-hmm.
That make sense?
Yeah.
So, in order to continue checking,
Sorry, I just saw Jared's message. Let me send him the link that Jasleen made.
you have to be this word that I is greater.
Where is our chat? Where it is?
Greater than word I. Well, that's not true. Or word I dot length is greater or equal than 5. Let's run that push word I.
Oh, I'm putting this in the wrong
This
place.
is crazy. I don't get the balance when one is right and the other one is not.
Hold on, I'm gonna look up in just a second.
Yeah, that's okay. Go ahead. I'm just
Walking through it.
yeah, yeah. Saying it out loud to get a better understanding on this. So I know I'm gonna say it's still telling me the same. Mystery in that push. But if I don't do that,
Mm-hmm.
it just not come up.
All right, I'm looking. I'm focusing again. All right. Say the last thing that you said. If you don't what?
Okay. The last thing that I say is if I don't put that push,
Mm-hmm.
so far it hasn't come up. Hello.
Is it returning undefined or is it returning an empty array?
No, in the not, it's returning just hello.
Gotcha.
When I run
Mm-hmm.
npm test, well, it's just saying that that push is wrong. That I shouldn't be using that.
It's saying that dot push is not a function.
Yeah.
Dot push is not a function. I mean, it's not, but at the same time, like you are isolating that you want the elements of words.
What I should use, like a square bracket, because I'm putting here.
No, I don't think you should use
Yeah,
a square.
it's a parenthesis what you have to put.
Yeah, I don't know. I think a square bracket would be if these items weren't in an array. They're in an array, but we can see the array.
Well, they actually running through array.
That's what I'm saying. Like they're in an array.
Let me just do this. I don't think that this will make any sense, but who knows?
It was created to be stressful. That's all.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm literally looking up the
Okay.
dot push right now.
It didn't happen anything, and actually giving the same mistake. And now saying that new string is the error. This is insane.
Why?
Uh,
But why is it? Why? I this hold
uh,
on. Let me. Okay. So we know that it said dot push is not a function, and now it's saying that cannot read the property Corey of undefined. Type error. Okay. Type error. String.
the property query all
Is your
undefined. What?
I was just rereading new string. Hold on. Cannot read the property of Corey undefined. Only strings greater than or equal to 5.
Undefined. Why?
Hold on. Can you go to the part where it shows you what it's expecting? What it expects?
No, what? That's the point.
That is not showing
Because
anything but this.
because it's an error. I can go through to the test.
Mm-hmm.
We could go to the test. This is a test? Yes, this is a test. So, it's right here.
Mm-hmm.
String hello Corey dot to equal hello
Mm-hmm.
and Corey. I the same here. Corey. Correct? But now it's saying that Corey is not defined. Hmm.
All right, let's do this again. Wait, let's read. Let's reread the. Can you scroll up a little bit? Scroll up just a little bit.
So hold on.
Scroll up in your
No, which one? Terminal or code?
VS Code.
Oh, what?
Scroll in your
Oh, I know, I know.
Yeah. Okay. I just need to reread the what's being asked. Okay. Returns an array of words that have 5 or more letters. Okay. Got you. No problem. Okay. Parameter. A string. An array of strings. Words. An array. Okay. Got it. No problem. Covered. We're returning a string. An array of string. Words with 4 or more letters. Okay. Yeah. No, it makes sense. All right, we have our function. We're passing a parameter words. Got it. Cool. We're setting up a variable to collect the words with 5 or more letters. Cool. Got that. Our for loop targets if 0 is less than or equal to our array of words, the length of that, we're going to iterate. That way, every time it comes back in, we're going to ultimately put that into the variable of new string. We're pushing, oh wait, no, I missed it. Our if statement says if our words array with cat, hello, Corey, dog, if it's targeting the element dot length, okay, right? If that is greater or equal to, okay. If it's greater or equal to words, element 0, the element is, how about we take out, let's take out the bracket 0 and let's have it as words.length for now.
Oh, hold on. Which one?
So in the if statement, let's take out our 0 square bracket and have it as words.length.
0 square bracket?
Yeah, let's take that out for now.
This part?
Yeah. So if the element of
You want
words.length
me to
is
run it?
greater, not yet. I'm still running through the lines. If element of words.length is greater or equal to words.length, I feel like that's not gonna work. Or words.length is greater or equal to 5. Push
But
the sorry, push the words with 5 or more letters to the new string. It's the element of words. And then um, the new string plus.
But look, there is something. You know why we put that square bracket 0?
I do,
Look,
but the
it's
only
because if we put word that length, word is itself the whole
it's the
array.
entire array. Yeah.
So that's why I put square bracket 0 to start at 0.
Yeah, no, it makes perfect sense. But the issue that I'm having is I'm trying to figure out why Corey is being seen as undefined. So if we bring back the
Yeah.
entire array, it may define Corey again. So now I'm trying to target what that problem is. So I'm just trying to see if this fixes that. String that push. Yeah, run it. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm just trying to isolate the issue.
Okay.
Debugging is so much fun. Yay.
And I'm trying to use equal because that's what basically say.
Yeah,
If it's
with 5 or more.
equal or greater,
Uh huh.
so should it be?
What
No,
does it
it's
say?
not running. Still 14.
But I want to see what it says though.
It's going to say hello here.
Wait, can I read the property of Corey? So I didn't fix it. So you can put the square bracket 0 back in.
Yeah. You see, it's going to say hello,
Mm-hmm.
but it's just that. It's taking just the first one, not the second one.
Right.
Well, it should have took both of them. But it's still telling me what is it now in new string, and not even in the dot push. So it's saying new string.
I'm certain that the issue is in the if statement. I'm certain that the issue is because the loop is fine. The loop makes perfect sense to me, but I'm not sure of our if conditional or if condition, or sorry, our if comparison.
Oh.
Because everything else, because everything after that also makes sense. Because what we gather from our conditional, we're gonna push that into the new array, where we're then saying new string equals new string plus words I, right? And then we're console logging it, or returning it. I guess you want to console log just to see the result, right?
So let me show you something here. Yes. Let me take this off. You'll see.
Okay.
Okay, where is it? See, it's not returning the letter. Every time that I take that 5 off, it doesn't return. And now saying hello is not defined. So basically, if I do this back, right? Because at least with this, it's giving me hello, not Curry, but it's giving me hello. So I mean that second if statement is getting close to the point.
Hold on.
But the first one, maybe have an issue on the first one. That's the whole issue. You see, now it's saying cat. This is insane. So can now read hello. This is insane. Why is this doing that? Every time that I run this, it's like jumping between words. Like doesn't make any sense.
What if we filter it? What if we filter the array, right? Because that filter is an array method.
Like, what do you mean?
Hold on, let me.
Oh, using
So what
that
if?
filter?
Yeah. So I'm trying to remember the syntax. Give me a second.
Yeah.
I suggest if you haven't solved it by now to put in the helper code or put it somewhere in the Slack and move on. Like sometimes you need a little break. or you need extra help?
Well, the synapses are running now. Now
Sorry.
I'm gonna mute myself for 2 seconds. Sorry guys, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. I will have to do that because.
Yeah, my like a word of advice that some other coder gave me. Like if you're working on a problem for more than 30 minutes and
Oh,
you
vamos a
haven't
ejercicio
made much
después.
progress, take a
Yeah.
break or
Okay.
move on to something else and come back. You know?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. That's what I
So,
should. I don't know. I was hoping that I could, do something and
somebody on my Twitch, they said, "Aren't you just checking the words I dot length is greater than equal to 5? Also, okay, that's different. In new string dot push. So somebody offered a suggestion. Um, well, they're asking a question. They didn't offer they didn't offer a suggestion. But they're saying, I guess we're adding too many things, which is very possible.
yeah.
I still think that I would use the dot filter method, but give me a second to like put that together.
Mm.
Optimal.
Well, let's see. I take the first part off, and I got hello, or did I got hello? Yeah, I got a hello over here.
Did you console log each step and see like maybe like break it down like console logging
Yeah, that's what I did at first.
it?
Like, hold on. Let me take this off. That's this week. Oh.
I see it. No, you don't have to show me, man. We're not gonna waste no time. I'm using as much time. You only got 5 days to catch up, so I'm using my time to study.
Yeah, yeah.
Waste my
It's the
time
way
on
she said it.
no thing if I don't have to.
Gotcha.
Don't worry about it.
That was funny to me. Sorry, I'm using my other screen to like write it all out. Give me a second.
Could you send me that link that suggestion that someone sent to you?
It wasn't quite a suggestion. It was fix the indentation might be causing an error. Oh, okay. So she was, or he, I'm not sure. Out here being a whole sexist. I'm not sure the orientation of this person, or their or their pronouns. So they're suggesting fix the indentation because that might be causing the error. So, do you have like a formatter on your VS Code? Just highlight everything and format it. See if that has something to do with how it's being read in VS Code. Which I'm not sure if it would, but maybe.
What do you mean formatted? What else?
Do you have like a VS Code formatter like Prettier or Beautify or whatever? It indents things where they need to be indented and so on and so forth.
Where you find that?
Go to you see the boxes and then one is kind of like separating from it. Up, 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 up. Down, down.
This one?
Right there, yeah. And type in Prettier.
Prettier?
Yeah, Prettier. Right there, Prettier code. You see it?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, click install, and then you can use that. Oh, you already have it.
Oh,
So you do have it.
installed.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
go back to your .js file.
Mm-hmm.
The one we're working on.
Oh, what happened? What happened? Why is this?
You could just exit that. You see the X that's highlighted up there?
No, not really.
Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Right there. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So highlight everything. And
Yep.
right click and format document. There are multiple formatters. So configure. I guess you have more than one. So where it says configure at the lower left corner.
Oh. Yeah.
And yeah, choose Prettier.
Okay.
All right. Now run the test again. I don't think that has anything to do with it, but I mean it could.
Maybe.
It might. It's
Who
possible.
knows?
I don't know.
uh,
What did you run? Choose prettier? How did
Um,
you use it?
so Prettier is one of the plugins or extensions, whatever you want to
Yeah,
call
I
it.
had the plugin. How do you use it to make it look like that?
So you highlight the section or the entire page. You don't even have to do the. I think if you just right click on the screen, it gives you the option to format document and
Okay.
yeah.
Format. Got it. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to try something.
Yeah.
Slack,
Nope.
slack, 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 slack.
Nope, nope, nope. And now it's telling me that that word, that line is not right. I mean, no.
Goodness.
This is insane. No.
I'm trying to use my.
And before, look, I'm constantly. Oh, but look at here. It's taking here and
Uh-huh.
it's taking here,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually taking the word and don't know where. So it's actually taking the word.
Is it?
Yes, look at here in the terminal.
Scroll up. Cannot read
When I do,
property.
when I do console.log, right?
Yeah.
It's taking. I don't know which one is taking. seriously,
So
seriously, I don't know which one is taking, but it's console.log here and console.log here, correct.
there's a
It's
good
taking.
chance that you're fatiguing too. We've literally been looking at code for like over 10 hours.
So there is something that he's taking. However,
However,
let me no let me start like taking one of them off.
mm-hmm.
Probably just this one or either this one. I want to know which one is working. Uh,
Hold on.
and then if
You write this out.
I will give you 5 more minutes in this.
Const.
If not, well, I'm gonna put up to see if someone's still up because I really want to continue moving forward.
Hold on, I'm trying to write something out. So const only strings greater than what? Or equal. Greater than or equal.
Yeah, look at there.
Equal
It's there.
to
Hello, console. Hello. It's taking that part, but I don't know which one it is.
So what about this? So const only strings greater or equal to 5, right? Equal words, fat arrow, words dot filter, parentheses, element fat arrow, element dot length if it's greater or equal to 5. Hold on, let me.
Sorry, what you were saying?
Hold on, I'm trying to. So create the function. So const only strings greater than or equal to 5, right? Equals words, fat arrow, words dot filter, and then if element, or in this case, what are we calling it? If it's a new string, if new string is equal or no, wouldn't be new string. It would be words. If
Yeah, do you see this?
well,
There's a bus hanging over the Harlem River Drive.
oh, okay, yeah, anxiety. That's good. That's great stuff.
Yeah, it should wake me up. That shit scared me.
Where is
I've
that?
never seen that in my life. I have a new anxiety to worry about.
Mm-mm.
Wow. Okay, that was my moment. I was like, what the fuck?
I feel like you have too many things going on up there, and that's
Yeah, me
why.
too. Yeah, I'm checking that out right now.
What's bothering me is that I can't identify the problem, and like it's really upsetting me because it shouldn't be this hard.
That's what I'm trying to check. What are outing?
Mm.
So
So
now pass. No, this is gotta be kidding me. No, you gotta be kidding me. It seems like a pass.
only strings greater. You know what? Yeah, it did. It sure did.
But
Oh wait, but there's still a type error.
no,
Terry cannot read. I don't like these tests. I quit. So unsubscribe. Sometimes the tests have problems. Like this module assessment, it's had so many issues in the test file. Like one was there was like capital letters in one of them.
Yes.
Me and Grace were working on it yesterday, and the first two tests kept failing, but everything was correct. And after we started solving the third test, then the first two tests were ended up being correct, and I'm like, what is happening?
But look at here. Look at here.
My watch just told me I'm running. I'm literally
This is
sitting
not.
down.
This is not. And the both letter is there.
Isn't this the same thing we were working on before too? When it was saying it was grabbing Corey but not hello.
No, but right now it's taking both.
Alex,
Well,
I'm convinced that you wanted to work on this problem to stress me out. And it worked.
I let it go. Oh my goodness.
Because you definitely had it like this before and it didn't pass. So I assume that's why you started putting the other logic in it. And I was like,
Yeah.
well, if that's not passing, then clearly I don't know how to solve for it. So
Yeah, it's getting crazy here. Okay, let me just come this out. Tell me what you. No.
I'm gonna jump back into working on this loops lab real quick. Oy.
What you said, Candy?
I said I want to jump back into working on this loops lab.
Okay. So you could start sharing. Back to the music, Alex. Are you still on Twitch, Candy?
Yes, ma'am. But now I'm working on the loops lab. Trying to make it a little larger.
Alright, you want the music back, or you got your own thing?
No, you can put your music on. I'm cool with that. Trying to make this large enough for people to see. That's a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Ends with 5 while loop. Returns an array with all the numbers that end in 5 from 1 to 100. Must be done with the while loop. First of all, why can't I see you guys? Let's make this large so I can see you guys. Jasleen, where's the tunes, man? What's going on?
I'm putting the trap in a Japan. So this one has words, but I'm tired.
That's
I need to
loud.
like
Alex, if you can hear me, the person said set I equal 1 in the for loop or do length minus 1 in the for loop, and that will fix the issue.
Say that again.
So it says set I guess for your problem, the problem we were just looking at, it says set I equal 1 in for loop or do length minus 1 in for loop. That will fix the issue.
I equal 1
Yes.
or
Or in the for loop or do length minus 1 in the for loop. That will fix the issue.
okay.
It fixed it?
It worked.
It's taking Corey. Just Corey.
Yeah, alright, that didn't work.
No, it's taking one of them, at least. Okay,
I wonder if I could live share my.
let me
That's
do a
fine.
trick here. Ow.
You can see your head right there. No, I'm alright, thanks.